everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel. I am Rhoda Olabisi. If you're here for the first time, I would need you to smash that subscribe button, okay? It really helps the channel to grow. Alright, so today we're going to talk about how you can get 75% discounts on Udacity. So in case you did not know, Udacity is an online learning platform just like we have Coursera, EDX, Udemy, and other learning platforms like that. On Udacity, you get to take courses that are curated around in-demand skills like software engineering, UI/UX design, product management, machine learning, data analytics, and different in-demand skills like that. Udacity offers a Nano degree, which is a paid program that you can take within the duration of 3 months. Usually, the cost costs about $1,300 to $1,200 on an average, but they are currently running a 75% discount if you register between the 1st of November and 15th of November 2022. So you get a 75% discount, which means that you're going to pay about $390 or $330 on an average, as opposed to paying the full price, which is about $1,200 and $1,300. What I'm going to show you right now is a walkthrough of how you can register and get the 75% discount.
This is the first thing that you're going to see pop up on the website. So you're going to see take 75% off digital skills. Our biggest discount of the year is here for a limited time. As I mentioned earlier on, the discount is available from the 1st of November to the 15th of November 2022. So if you are registering within a window, you get 75% off. So you can click on here to claim the discount. I'm clicking here. So once you've clicked on claim discount, you are redirected here, and you can see an option to either sign in or get started. So in case you've not signed up before, what we're going to do is we're going to click on get started here. Alright, so you can see an option to either sign up with Google or sign up with Facebook, right? But what I'm going to do here is to just go ahead and use my first name and put in my details to sign up instead of using Google. But you can use anyone that works for you. Right, I'm clicking on sign up now. So on the home page, this is the first thing you see. There is get the skills you need for $100,000 plus tech career in just 3 months. Get an accelerated program at a cheaper price. That's basically what it is. So if you scroll down, you can get to find your perfect program, right? So there is data science, there's programming, there's business, artificial intelligence, autonomous systems, product management, cloud computing, cybersecurity. Scroll to your right, you get to see the different levels. So for a data engineer, an intermediate level, you can take this course. Advanced for data scientists, beginners, business analytics. Then just scroll to your right, then you get to see the different courses based on your different levels of proficiency. So SQL, now you say you're a beginner, you're not familiar, or you just want to start learning basics of SQL, you can take this course. If it's data analytics, let's say you're familiar with cleaning up with messy data, data visualization, and different things like that, you can take this course because it's on an intermediate level. So you can see the data product management as well, data architect. I like that these courses all specified levels, so it's different if you are a beginner, an intermediate, or if you're in the advanced level. That determines the course you take out of all of these courses that they're offering. Alright, so this is basically the home page, right? So what you want to do now is click on get started if you have not signed up before. But you can click on sign in if you have signed up before, or you can just come here and select any of the options that you are interested in. Let's say I'm interested in say product management, for example. You click on product management and you get to see the different courses that are available. Under product management, you can see agile software development, AI product manager, data product manager, UX designer, growth product manager, product manager. If you click on cloud computing, you can see the different courses that are available under cloud computing. You can see, if you click on cybersecurity as well, you can see introduction to cybersecurity, security engineer, ethical hacker, different courses that are available under these specialties. So all you have to do is click on them. They bring out a drop down to show you the courses that are available. Then you select the courses you want based on the level of proficiency, which is either beginner, intermediate, or advanced. So that's basically all there is to the Udacity website, right? And that's how to claim 75% discount. Just make sure that you register before the 10th of November 2022. You can see it is boldly written here just so that you are aware.
I hope you've gotten some value from this video. Do not forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.